the Audi Q7 is getting a serious glow up. And honestly, this might be one of the cleanest luxury SUV redesigns we've seen in a long time. Just look at this thing. Modern, sharp, elegant, and unlike a lot of new SUVs that are trying way too hard to look futuristic, the rumored 2027 Audi Q7 actually feels sleek, premium, and properly Audi. Audi definitely understood the assignment here. You've still got that familiar Q7 presence, big, planted, and upscale. But now it looks way more high-tech and way more dramatic. And the design? Yeah, this thing looks good. Up front, you get this massive new grille that gives the Q7 a much bolder face. And it's paired with those super slim LED daytime running lights that make the whole front end look futuristic without looking weird. Then, lower down, the main lighting elements and sculpted bumper details give it this layered, aggressive look that feels more premium and more expensive than before. It's still classy, but now it's got attitude. And then, from the side, this is where the Q7 really starts to show off. The proportions are clean, long body, strong shoulder line, big wheels, smooth surfacing. It looks substantial, but not bulky. That's always been one of the Q7's strengths. It has presence without looking heavy. And this new version seems to push that even further. It almost looks like Audi took everything people liked about the current Q7 and just sharpened it up in every single direction. And then there's the rear. Honestly, the back might be the best part. That full-width LED taillight design looks incredible, and it gives the Q7 a much more modern luxury SUV identity. At night, this thing is going to be instantly recognizable. The rear bumper and lower trim also give it a sportier stance, and the whole back end looks wider, cleaner, and more refined. It's one of those SUVs that doesn't need crazy styling tricks to stand out. It just looks expensive. Now, Audi still hasn't officially revealed every detail yet, but if this 2027 Q7 is really coming soon, expect it to bring updated powertrains, more efficiency, and probably some kind of electrified options too. Would it be shocking to see a refined turbocharged setup? Not at all. A plug-in hybrid version? Also very possible. And that's what makes this next Q7 so interesting, because the Q7 has always been about blending luxury, technology, and everyday usability. But this new one looks like it's finally adding a bigger visual wow factor to the formula. And honestly, that might be exactly what Audi needed. Because in a world full of BMW X5s, Mercedes GLEs, Volvo XC9s, and Genesis GV8s, looking clean and premium isn't enough anymore. You've got to stand out. And this new Q7 looks like it finally does. If Audi gets the pricing right, and if the final production model looks this close to these renders, yeah, the luxury SUV segment might have a serious problem, because this thing has the potential to become one of the most desirable three-row luxury SUVs the second it hits the road. Honestly, this might be the Q7 redesign people have been waiting for.